FreeTime is an Android application that manages your calendar and tasks for you while preserving your free time. When you run FreeTime for the first time, you can import events from an existing calendar. Then you can set your effective hours. These are the hours when you are awake. Once you've done that, you can define blocks of free time, which are the times that you would like to preserve for rest. Your effective hours and preferred free times will be taken into account by our application when it places tasks for you automatically. Next, you can add any recurring activities that you participate in regularly and that were not imported in the previous step. For example, you could have judo every Thursday. Once this one-time setup is done, you will see your weekly schedule. As we can see, the events from our calendar have been imported and shown in blue. The recurring tasks created are shown in red, and our free time blocks are clearly defined in green. Now, whenever you have a task to accomplish, you can add a new task in the application. You can either add a one-time task, a recurring task, or a long-term task. A long-term task is a task that has a due date and that requires a certain amount of regular work. When you create a long-term task, you give it a priority, a start date, a due date, and an estimation of the number of hours required for its completion. Our application then uses this information in the algorithm that it uses to split up this task into multiple work sessions that it places automatically into the empty slots of your schedule. As we can see here, the long-term task we added has been spread out over a few weeks. Now, when we add a new task, that task is also spread out in the remaining empty slots. As we can see, our application does not place any task during the user's preferred free time.
When the tasks are split up and spread out evenly in this way, it should encourage and remind you to work regularly on your projects and hopefully help you preserve your free time in the long run.
Start using FreeTime and free up your time.